Hallo, guten Abend.
Hallo, guten Abend. Okay. So heute können wir mit B1 anfangen. Okay. Zuerst machen wir ein bisschen Konnektoren. Okay. Sie sind eigentlich sehr hilfreich. Okay. They'll be extremely helpful for you all. So let's just do some connectors. So like in A1 and A2, you've just studied normal connectors. Now you will be studying double connectors also. So the connectors which we are going to do today is a mixture of normal, okay, plus double connectors. Okay. For example, the first one is wherein. Wherein. Wherein means while or during. While or during. So während ich Musik höre, lese ich die Zeitung. Okay, das ist ein Nebensatz. Während ich Musik höre, lese ich die Zeitung. Okay. The second one, während ich die Tafel putze, ja, während ich die Tafel putze, denken Sie an den Wortschatz. Okay. During I clear the board, you think of the vocabulary, Wortschatz. Okay. Denken an. Denken always takes a fixed preposition an. Okay. So this is a Nebensatz. Yeah, Nebensatz we've done a lot in A2. Während is while or during. Then we have the Schal deswegen darum. Okay, do not write anything for now. The Schal deswegen darum. It means that's why or therefore. Yeah, you can either use the Schal or darum or deswegen. Ja, Sie können entweder the Schal oder deswegen oder darum benutzen. Das ist egal. Ja, er ist krank. The Schal kann ja nicht kommen. He's sick. That's why he cannot come. Okay? The Schal kann ja nicht kommen. Dann, ich möchte Deutsch lernen. I would like to learn German. Deshalb bin ich in Deutschland. Okay, deshalb bin ich in Deutschland. I would like to learn German. That's why I am in Germany. So for deshalb, you can either put a full stop or put a comma. Both are okay. Okay. Während is a Nebensatz, wherein the verb goes at the end. Deshalb, the verb goes at the second position. Das Verb steht immer an zweiter Position. Okay? Dann haben wir Doppelkonnektoren. Doppelkonnektoren, yeah, that means double connector. Yeah, let's see how double connector works. Ich trinke weder Kaffee noch Tee. Ich trinke weder Kaffee noch Tee. Yeah, that means I neither drink coffee nor tea. The verb stays at the second position only. Okay, weder noch. Then sie geht weder zur Arbeit noch zur Uni. She neither goes to the work nor to the university. Sie geht weder zur Arbeit noch zur Uni. Dann entweder oder. Wir können, Entschuldigung, wir können entweder Pizza oder Eis essen. We can either eat pizza or ice cream. Okay? Dann entweder magst du deine Hausaufgaben oder ich stelle Babyfotos auf deiner Instagram. Yeah, it's like either you do the homework or I'm uploading your baby pictures on Instagram. Okay, so weder noch and entweder oder. Both are double connectors. Während and deshalb deswegen are normal connectors. Habt ihr Zweifel hier? Irgendwelche Zweifel? Any questions, any doubts here?
Nein.
Can you please explain the first part?
First part as in während?
While and during, yes.
Okay, where and this one, na? The
Yes,
first
ma'am.
one you say, okay, yeah. So while and during. So während is while and during. So it's like a Nebensatz. Yeah, Nebensatz means the verb goes at the end. Während ich Musik höre. Yeah, during I hear music. Okay, I read newspaper. Während ich Musik höre, lese ich die Zeitung. Yeah, during I listen to music, I read music. Oh, I read newspaper, sorry. Dann während ich die Tafel putze, denken Sie an den Wortschatz. Yeah, during I clear or while I clear the board, you think of vocabulary. Okay, that.
Okay. Thank you.
Although we'll be revising, again, Gishan, although we'll be revising these connectors one more time when we'll be doing them into the chapters, of course. Okay, but I want to do them as soon as possible because you know the earlier you know them, you will be able to use them into your Schreiben expression also. Okay. Then we have trotzdem. Trotzdem is in spite of. Ja, ich bin müde, trotzdem gehe ich nicht schlafen. Yeah, I am tired. Yeah, in spite of that, I'm not going to sleep. Ich bin müde, trotzdem gehe ich nicht schlafen. Then we have wegen. Okay, wegen is a very, very beautiful connector. But just remember that it's a genitive connector. Because of. So it is genitive. Yeah, Zugehörigkeit. That means, for example, the first one. Yeah, because of rain, I am late. Yeah, or I come late. Because of rain, I come late. So wegen des Regens. Yeah, wegen des Regens, comma, ich spät. What is the article for Regen? There. What's the article? It's there. Now you know what's there in genitive?
This.
Yeah, des plus s. So that's why we're writing because of rain. Wegen des Regens, comma, ich spät. Read the next one. Why is it seiner Krankheit?
Because it is feminine. Sein there.
Ah, why is it seiner?
Because it is feminine.
Yes, because it's die Krankheit. What is Krankheit?
Health.
Illness, disease, illness.
Okay.
Ja. Wegen seiner Krankheit muss er zu Hause bleiben. Yeah, because of his health, he must stay at home. Okay, so here it's muss er zu Hause bleiben. Wegen seiner Krankheit, because the becomes there in genitive.
And which form of the verb must come?
Form of the verb as it?
Must come.
Conjugation.
Yes, ma'am.
That's because of er.
Okay.
Then again we have yes, Hrdika.
Oh, can we use while instead of wegen? Because
See,
they
while
both
is
mean
because. While is because, wegen is because of. So there's a difference between while and wegen. You cannot use them interchangeably. Okay?
yep, okay.
Then we have nicht nur, sondern auch. Okay, not only but also. Okay? Sie ist nicht nur höflich, sondern auch schön. Er bringt mir nicht nur Blumen, sondern auch Schokolade. Okay, he brings me not only.
First sentence. I guess
She is
I'm
not only she is not only polite but also beautiful. Er bringt mir nicht nur Blumen, sondern auch Schokolade. Yeah, he brings me not only flowers but also chocolates. So nicht nur, sondern auch. Just don't forget to put a comma in between. Okay. Then nicht, sondern. Nicht der Flugverkehr, sondern der Straßenverkehr ist das größte Umweltproblem. Okay, nicht, sondern is like not but rather. Okay.
Entschuldigung.
Yeah.
Can you please explain the seventh one again?
Okay. So nicht nur, sondern auch means not only but also. ये नहीं but ये भी. So it's also a double connector. Yeah, whenever you have two words together in a connector, those are double connectors. Yeah, so in the first example, it says, sie ist nicht nur höflich, sondern auch schön. So she's not only polite, but also beautiful. Okay, but also beautiful. He not only brings me flowers, but also chocolates. Okay, so nicht nur Blumen, sondern auch Schokolade. Then we have, Hritika, is it clear? Then,
Flower.
Then nicht und sondern. Nicht der Flugverkehr, sondern der Straßenverkehr ist das größte Umweltproblem. Like not the air traffic, but the street traffic is the biggest Umwelt problem. Environment problem. Ja, zum Beispiel, ich esse oder ich trinke nicht Saft, sondern Tee. Yeah, I don't drink juice, but rather tea. Okay, like that.
Ma'am,
Then
in that sentence, won't aber will take place rather than sondern?
no, sondern is rather. It's a connector which is nicht sondern. So aber will not use. If you want to use aber, you can use it in a separate sentence. But as a connector, as a double connector, nicht sondern go hand in hand.
Oh, okay.
Sondern means rather, no. That. Okay. Then obwohl. Obwohl also Verb am Ende. Although. Obwohl er nichts hat, ist der glücklich. Although he has nothing, he is happy. In the second one, ich verstehe ihn nicht, obwohl er Deutsch spricht. Yeah, I don't understand him, although he speaks German. Okay, so obwohl, although.